Okay, so this is a video to show you the sales process. Now, once you've made your introduction to a client, whether it's online or in person, you can use this page exactly as is. Now, obviously, if you're doing it online, you've got to use a screen sharing software, sort of like Zoom. That's the one we recommend. But if you're doing this in person, you can use your either your smartphone or your tablet. And I've created these pages so that they work just fine either way. Now, all you have to do to get there from the company portal, you come here, you got sales processes. Right here, cold sales, B2B flipbook, or you can just come right here and click on this link off the company portal. Takes you to the same page. Now, this one is not password protected, so it's probably easier if you just do it that way if you're using your phone. But anyway, all you have to do is say, after you said, okay, well, listen, I just wanted to share a little bit about Oaks Writing, what we can do for you, okay? Great. Now, first of all, we focus on making online marketing easy. You know, a lot of folks today complain that digital marketing is kind of like trying to drive through fog. You know, it's just you can't see where you're going. Can't see, you know what I'm saying? Well, since 2009, Oaks Writing has been working with website operators to create the best online marketing experience for their customers. We can help you cut through the fog. Now, the top 4 online marketing challenges that have been identified for most small businesses today are lack of resources like time, money, or people, getting qualified leads, using social media, or creating content for their website or social media. Um, if I may ask, what is your biggest online marketing challenge? Listen to the customer, blah, blah, blah. Now, let them know marketing is all about getting the right traffic. Now, all these challenges that we just mentioned are made easier when we see that everything starts with traffic. You know, if a local shop wants to market certain products to its customers, it must first have people entering its shop. If a car dealer wants to sell cars, it must have plenty of folks just stopping by, just looking. The point is, once a company has the numbers, they can sell products and services to their people. Now, here's an important point. Marketing does not produce traffic. Marketing produces results from traffic. Now, in the traditional model, advertising drives traffic. In the modern inbound model, content drives traffic. Now, this is important because sometimes folks are working with a marketing agency and they're not really sure if it's working. That's where we get into that foggy situation, right? Well, a simple way to know if your marketing agency is using modern inbound marketing or traditional marketing is to note whether their focus is on advertising your website or growing your website. How is your content marketing agency handling your marketing? Why do you think it matters? Well, let me explain. When people use traditional advertising, their cost to generate leads is higher than when they use modern inbound techniques. And there are reasons for that, which we'll get into in a moment. But you can see, typically, your average cost per customer or average cost per lead is much lower with the modern technique. Now, did you know that inbound marketing costs less than traditional? Okay, well, here's why. Marketers who prioritize blogging efforts are 13 times more likely to see positive ROI, according to HubSpot. Now, here's the reason. You may have heard the expression content is king. That actually came from Bill Gates. Now, what is content? Well, content is anything we see or hear online. It includes web pages, articles, blogs, videos, social media posts, photos, audio recordings. But just putting these things out there is not enough. Content needs to be created in such a way that it'll be found. In other words, it must match what people are searching for, the search engines. And if the content does not contain written words, it must be described well enough that search engines can match it to what people are searching for. You see, now at Oaks Writing, one of the things that we do is we make sure that your content gets found. This provides the needed traffic for effective marketing. Do you have a content writer? What sort of results are you getting from your content? Okay? Now, we'll come back to this in a moment. If you'd like to learn more about our content offerings, we'll check that out. Now, as far as, you want to learn more about that now? Okay, good. So, our content offerings, and all we do, the biggest thing we do at Oaks Writing is content marketing. Okay. Now, we've already gone over this. What is content? It's all these things that are written, audio, visual. This includes photos. But see, everything that drives every action on the internet is driven there because people are just simply having fun or they're looking for a product or service that's needed. At Oaks Writing, we specialize in content and content marketing. Now, we provide a full array of content marketing solutions, including written, visual, search, social, email, newsletters, and more. Now, content marketing, here's how it works, okay? And this is why the Content Marketing Institute in 2017 said content marketing gets 3 times more leads than paid search advertising, and why the ROI is lower. See, as opposed to traditional marketing, content marketing draws customers like a magnet to learn what your company provides. Content marketing gives potential customers the ability to learn about your company when they're actively seeking your services. And you know, you've done this, right? You go online, you want to search for something, you're looking for an answer to, you know, oh, how do I fix my thermostat? You know, or how do I unclog a drain? And you type that in, or you speak it into your phone, right? And then you look at all these websites and you find the one that works for you. And what happens often is that we find a website that works and we give it a try and the idea works. Well, what happens if later on we need more serious work that's related to that? We quite frequently remember the company or we go to the company that we most recognize. You see, recognition is a big part of advertising, and content draws people to our site again and again and again, so they recognize our site. You see, it's kind of like this. Image really is everything, and it's especially when marketing online. So you want to make sure you get good quality content out there. Now, just kind of FYI, some other names for content marketing include attraction marketing, inbound marketing, search engine marketing. And for those less familiar with proper use, they'll use the term digital marketing. And kind of FYI, that's a good way to tell if somebody is really an advertiser or a marketer. Advertisers like to use the word digital marketing because really they don't understand the modern content marketing concept. I'm not bashing them. They're good at what they do, but typically it's going to cost you more to go that route. Now, social media is another area where we do content marketing. We work to help people get found in search, things like that. The bottom line is that we get results, and that's really what you're doing all this for, is you want results. We even have a guaranteed results program in place that we, you know, if you want to us to guarantee you results, we can do that. Okay, are you ready to, you know, maybe launch a content marketing campaign or learn more about it? Yeah. Tell you what, can I go ahead and just get your name? John Doe. And what's your email, John? John D at gmail.com. Okay. And what's a good phone number to reach you on? 337-660-4774. Got it. And what is your website? What is that? John's AC Repair. Okay, cool, great. All right. And now, John, would you like to learn maybe a little bit more about the content that we offer? Now, these are some of the things that we offer. We have blog posts, web pages, articles, books. Okay? You want to go back and learn more about some of the other services? Let me just back up here. Now, we also have websites. I took a look at your website. I see it's a modern website. Could maybe use a little bit of work, but I don't think you have any kind of coding issues or anything like that. So it looked really good. What about social media? We also handle social media for folks. You using Facebook right now? Is it going good? Are you using any other social media platforms? Okay. And you want to learn more about that or no? Okay, it's good. What about Google Ads? Oh, yeah. You guys, you've tried Google Ads? Okay, we'll be glad to talk a little bit more about Google Ads with you here in a moment. Let me just kind of tell you a little bit about our guarantee. Marketing in the past was difficult to track and nearly impossible to measure. Results relied more on a scattergun approach more than any other factor. Even the best marketers had flops. Flops still occur, but with the tools we have today, they can be caught well before much is spent. This is because all marketing online can be directly tracked and measured. We can test one approach against another. This is called A/B testing. Have you ever heard of that? Okay, good. Well, this allows us to offer guarantees like no other at no other time in history. Would you like to learn more about the Oaks Writing warranties? going over to the warranties then. And you can talk about the warranties right here, blah, blah, blah. Basically, all these pages are set up with sales in mind, and you notice at the bottom, they've all got these. Once you get it once, get that information once on a page, that's all you need. Don't worry about it again. But it gets us the basic information we need to continue marketing to them, even if you don't make a sale today. If you bring them over to the website page, now what you're going to notice is the website page is very similar. Same setup, same layout. Now, each one of these columns are going to show up exactly like when you look on your phone, this is going to show up, and then this is going to appear. So everything on the left of each section will show, it'll show left to right in each section. So if you're looking at it on this video, you'll see the first thing you'll see on your, if you get to this section on your phone, it's going to say WordPress. You read down here, and then you'll see this picture, and you have this. Okay, and it's all created in such a way that it allows for sales to just kind of flow, and ultimately get down to the bottom where you've got a message, and at the very bottom of the page are the packages that you can go over with them. Now, if they want, let's say they decide that they want a website, they say, yeah, I need at least 5 pages on my website. Okay, just click Add to Cart. Click that. Okay. And then all you got to do is go down here and click View My Cart, and it's going to open another window. And you see right here, I accidentally clicked it twice, so all I got to do is go down to 1. And now the price is in their cart. Here's the total. All they have to do to pay is go check out with PayPal. Now, let's go back to that page, because what if they want to just put a deposit down? Let's say they say, listen, I can't pay the whole thing right now. In order to start on their website, we will take half down. Okay? So they can put $600 on that website. Here's what you do. Come up here to Services, Other Products and Services, and this is going to bring you to a complete list of all of our products and services. Okay? Scroll down here, you got website, social media. You get down here to Other Products. Click on Deposits. Click Add to Cart. Now the page reloads. Now go back over to their cart. And what you're going to see is it has now added a deposit of $1 at $1. All you have to do to change that, go 600 right there. Click outside of the box, and it's going to put the 600 in there. Now you can put the deposit, dump this out. Just hit the trash can on the professional website part, and now they've got a deposit of $600. They go in and click PayPal. When they click PayPal, it's going to bring them over to PayPal. Well, I say it's going to. I had this set up. There we go. They'll log into their PayPal. Okay, now if they do not have a PayPal account, it's not a problem. Have them come down here, click on Pay with debit or credit card, like this, and it will bring them over to a PayPal window where they do not have to log in. They can use any of their major credit cards to complete the checkout. This will show up as Oaks Media Group on their pay. You see OMG, that's Oaks Media Group. Okay, so this is how it'll appear on their statement, Oaks Media Group. They just enter their PayPal, their card information. You can show them up here that says secure, that says PayPal. And then once they're done, they hit Pay Now. And that's all they got to do. Now, if they decide they want to do something else, they can come up here and click on this. Now, really, they can just exit out of it. It's no big deal. And it's not going to take them out. Now, if they decide they want something else, they go to their cart. They say, well, you know what? I don't want that. Let's look at something else. Just empty this, and their cart is empty. You can just go right back in. You can either just come here and show them all the products and services, or you can take them back through the pages like we showed here. Okay? I hope this answers most of your questions about how to navigate this this training. Of course, over here in the company portal, we have a number of other things here that'll help you. We've got this is the products link. That is that same page right here. This is the products, and that's of course the cart. This is a results guarantee worksheet. I'm going to have a separate video on that. to help understand it. And of course, this is the sales process where you can actually see in kind of written, not kind of written, in written version, the actual sales process, the way you move people from warm to cold. This is a client worksheet. It's the kind of information we would like to get from every client. If you want to download it, print it off, keep copies of it, this is the information that we really want to get as much as possible. Of course, we don't want to get it all on the first visit, but get as much as you can. Okay. What else can I show you here? Just don't be afraid to explore these different things. These are different pages that are set up here to help with different things. This is the basic customer agreement, which is really just a simple document. This is our service agreement with them. Okay, print that out, keep it with you, and that is when you make a sale, you fill this out and send it in to us. Let us know if it's a basic or a results warranty. If it's a results warranty, you're simply going to collect a down payment of some sort, and you know, 50% is perfect of any services that they want. If they want a website, go ahead and get that. The results warranty applies to other things. We'll get look at a separate video for that one. But basically, just print this out, and then once it's printed out, you don't have to mail it to us. Just take a picture of it with your phone and just email it to us. It's really that simple. And that's about it for the quick training of this right now. And if you have any questions, of course, feel free to email me, cjoakes@oakswriting.com. Or just look me up on Facebook. I think you probably already have.